This is a look at the circuit board which was in the Bosch dishwasher. It was in here like this. To really sort of understand how it is, you've got your power lead here, and that was going in to the hole there, and then going into this piece here, which is the power fitting, and that was in that hole over there. So to get this out, you have to sort of give it a pull to get that to lift out a bit from the side wall. This piece is just stuck on the top, and you can just flip it off. It's just a cover. And something else you have to do, there's some holes here with some lugs here, and these fit into those holes, so you've got to get a flat bladed screwdriver to just prise these away. When you do, it does become much more loose, but then it's held by that point there, and you then have to wiggle it a bit more to lift it out. If you do anything like this, it's a good idea to take a photo of this wiring, because I think it's a potential of mixing them up. They seem to have the same sort of fittings here, and I could easily see these being mixed up. So I've taken a photo or two and done this video to remind me how it is. I'm taking this out of here because I know it's good, and what I'm going to do, this is a scrap machine. This is a machine with an E19 error, which is to do with a solenoid, but I think it also is to do with the circuit board. And if you look at this machine, it's got the same plug fitting in the same side, so I think it's probably an identical circuit board, and I will be moving that one into this machine to see if it works, and that would be a very interesting possibility. Some people have said the circuit board was in here. Well, it's not. This is just a circuit board for the control mechanism. That's not the main circuit board at all.